Hello and welcome back to Gorilla Garage, and today we're going to be installing some Road Angel goodies. Road Angel have been very kind and sent me their Halo Play, and they've sent me this, which is definitely going in the AMG. They have also sent me their Pure Sync. We will start off with the Halo Play. The other one will be in a video to follow. So who are Road Angel and what do they do? So Road Angel do a wide variety of cameras, dash cams and infotainment systems. They've been around for 25 plus years. They offer a 3-year warranty, which is amazing. Register your device to activate your 3-year warranty. Not many people offer a 3-year warranty, which is good. Our passion is to make your journey safer. We help make Britain's roads safer through educating and empowering motorists to make sure informed decisions about their driving. It is why you are compared to create innovative new technology, which can help drive forward solutions that make a difference. Start with technology. Award-winning technology you can trust. Road Angel's groundbreaking technology supports everything from dash cameras to speed awareness and integrated car stereos to help support motorists to stay safe on the road. Each of our products are rigorously tested and checked before being approved, guaranteeing performance. And all their products are British product RA approved to make sure they are up to standard. So let's start off with the box. Now, obviously, very well packaged, as you'd expect from Road Angel. Oh, bit of nice sliding action there. So we have the main product there, and then I presume we've got some wires and stuff at the back. So we have, looks like that's probably going to be the rear camera. Then we have USB-C, so that's going to be like an extender by the looks of it. That's a power cable to the USB, something that's just fallen out, the rear camera, and that can go in the bin. But if you don't want to use the hardwire kit, that's what you put in your cigarette lighter. So this is the actual dash cam itself. It's actually really chunky, which is good. So now you can see these fins in here. This is a feature when it's on the windscreen. If it frosts over, it detects that it goes below a certain temperature. It actually defrosts the windscreen so your camera still works. Now, I park on the road, so I want this to have the parking feature. So that is good. It's got an adjustable cam on it. This is 4K as well, with a big screen as well, so you can see absolutely everything that's going on. Good quality, buttons on the back. Let's just go through what you get in the hard wire kit. You get multiple mini fuse, normal fuse adapters, and then you've got 2 power cables, and then obviously the bit to take the fuse out of. Is you've got one which is 3 amp and one which is 2 amp. So I presume you use the 3 amp if you want to use the heater, because it will need a little bit more draw. But yeah, good little kit there. So let's go over the website, and obviously it's www.roadangelgroup.com. So it is December at the moment, so they are having a massive Christmas sale on at the moment, up to 60% off, which is brilliant. Now, Road Angel have also given us a discount code. Yeah, so the discount code I will put up on the screen now. And you are free to use that. So what we are going to be looking at the moment is shop. They've got basics all the way up to what we have, which is the Halo. So that's $369.97, which even now I think that is absolutely phenomenal money for what you can get. There's nothing else that compares to this. So what have we got? Parking mode. So this gives you a quick look at the parking. Absolute best night vision, clarity and precision. Number plate recognition, variable sensor. So yeah, basically just tells you absolutely everything you need to know about the product. This is the one to go to. So check them out. But now back to the video. Installation was actually really easy. Now the problem that I had is where these Picassos are designed is they've got these like stupid windscreens. So the windscreen is like abnormally long, but it actually looks really good and it's quite stealth. So when you're sitting in the passenger seat, you can't actually see the camera. which, you know, it doesn't distract you from driving. So you've got the main screen there, which is in 4K. Then obviously you can scroll through the pictures. That's your rear screen. You have the emergency setting as well. I suppose if you see a crash or whatever, or something's going on and you need to quickly film it, then that is a good little feature. Now, these are the vents. So I'd imagine, because we've hardwired it into the fuse box, all of this will demist, and then I'll be able to record it because I park on the road. So then you've got like your gallery section, which is normal, emergency video, which is everything that I've been playing around with, all your doobie-doos. And then obviously you've got all your settings, video settings, which is all like your 1080p. Well, to be fair, this is 4K. You can turn down everything. So you've got parking mode activation, record clip duration, storage compression in 4K, audio recording, refresh rate, time lapse, speed, latitude, emergency vehicle, parking mode. Yeah, so absolutely everything. Then you go to your settings. In settings, you've got the Wi-Fi on, lane departure, forward collision warning, voice control, screen illumination, speaker, date format, speed unit, bit of everything. So, and obviously you can format the card and then that, but this is the one that really got me. Download app. So it actually brings up a QR code and then you can download the app. Now I apologize, but I don't know how to screen save. So this then means that you can go into your phone and see what's going on. So you've got the camera there, then you can switch to rear camera, front camera. And then what I did was I downloaded the app and this automatically set all the updates. So you can do your microphone, time lapse, parking mode, speed, voice commands, turn everything on and off, all your loop, your flicker. This is brilliant. Format SD card, Wi-Fi settings, factory settings, firmware update. So the first thing I did was make sure the software was up to date, which it was. So it's also worth mentioning that the winter mode is activated as part of the parking mode, which has to be set in the app. And for the winter mode / parking mode, you will need the hardwire kit as it does plug into the system. So that is absolutely brilliant little feature, that. So it does do some cool features as well as this. Take photo. And it takes a photo. Now that's really, really cool. That's really good if someone cuts you up or something and you want to get the reg or something along those lines. It also does turn off audio. Audio recording deactivated. If you don't want it to hear what you say, but I'll leave that on. So turn on audio. Audio recording activated. Now that's cool. So obviously the main reasons that you'd have a dash cam is for when some idiot crashes into you, or you have a crash and it's not your fault. Better. So yeah, it's obviously whilst we're driving, we're just going to record some footage and then we'll go back and check the footage later. But ultimately, the reason you have a dash cam is for security. This also has a lane departure alert. So it's basically like an ADAS system. So it's advising me that I'm just going over white lines like so. Attention, lane departure alert. That's good. Especially, so that's really, really good there. Attention, lane departure alert. So again, massive thank you to Road Angel for sending me that brilliant bit of kit over the cheap eBay ones that I normally get. To be fair, the amount of times I've used cheap Chinese ones and they just stop recording, and it's always just before you need it as well. Don't forget to check out their website as well. Obviously, you've got that discount code, so go and get trigger happy with that buy button. So yeah, next video is going to be the Pure Sync, which I'm really looking forward to using that. That is definitely going in the AMG. So check that out as well. So subscribe and turn on those notification bells to get further videos. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to press the buttons.